Hello to you. I'm Jessie R. Johnson. This is how to transport 10,000 tons to 10 million tons single blocks with 10 to 500 men. This is a technology representing the engineering level and not fantasy land unworkable nonsense. Please share this video and subscribe. To transport 100 tons or 10,000 tons to 10 million tons single blocks is conceptually, engineeringly, and mechanically simple but takes serious work. Simple but not easy. There are simple mechanical means to move or transport 1,000 tons to 10 million tons single blocks, such as A. Pivot tilt step method. This transports 1,000 to 10,000 tons. B. Rollerball jack and push method. This transports 10,000 to 10 million tons, which will be shown in this video. Let's begin. The rollerball jack push method is simple. A single block is put on top of ball-shaped rollers on a special tracked road and is pushed forward by very small incremental distances, such as 1/4, 1/2, 1/3, and so forth up to 5 inches or so, over an extended time frame. First, the road is made, ball rollers are set on it, a block is set on top of the balls, and a simple jacking system is used to move it forward. It is my opinion that moving over 10 million tons isn't feasible at today's mechanical level. Now let's begin. To continue, this is how to transport 10,000 tons to 10 million tons single blocks with 10 to 500 men using simple engineering mechanics or machinery using the rollerball jack push method. Now let's continue again. This is illustration A. This is a side view, and this rectangular shape represents the 10,000 ton to 10 million ton single block, single block. Right here are the shelves. The shelves are hooked to the back of the block, and the shelves hold a plate holder arm in yellow right here. It holds this yellow arm right here, and the block itself is on rollerballs, which is on top of a special road, this special road right here, which is of course on top of the ground. Now, in order to move this massive tons block, a turn post is put into a hole into the ground, a special hole into the ground, and it is turned by turn levers. The turn levers are between 100 to 500 feet long, depending on the load that you're trying to push, how many tons you're trying to push. And here's the lever holder. This is hooked to the turn post, the lever holder, which holds the turn levers. And on the turn post is press knots. This is the turn post itself right here. The turn post itself is right here. It's inside of a special hole. And this here is the press knot. When plates are put right put on the plates holder arm right here, and between the press knot, you turn this lever, which turns the turn post, and the turn post press knot, it presses the plates between the two of them and pushes this block forward 1/4 of an inch, 1/3 of an inch, 1/2 of an inch, 1 inch, 2 inches, or so forth. A small incremental amount. Now let's go to illustration B. This here, even though it is written top view, it is in fact a bottom view. My error. But nonetheless, this is the block bottom tracks. The block itself, this block right here, this block has tracks up under it. And on these tracks are on top of the roller balls, which are on top of the special road. And when you push the block, they roll along the rollers that set at equal distances along the track bottom, and you push it forward by using the block push backing. The block push backing is here, and the shelves are right here. As you can see right here, the block push backing is here, and the shelves are here to hold up the end of the plate holder arms. And here's the 10,000 to 10 million tons block right here, this rectangular shape right here. And these are the shelves right here, all of the shelves. Now let's go to illustration C. This is illustration C right here. This is a front view, and this is the 10,000 to 10 million ton single block right here, straight across, right here. And this here's the special road. It is on right here, the special road. Here's the special road, and of course this is the ground right here. And the special road has parabolic tracks. Instead of circular tracks, they have parabolic tracks. Parabolic tracks right here. Parabolic tracks. And here are the roller balls. The roller balls are here. And this is the bottom of the block itself. The bottom of the block itself is right here. And the bottom of the block has block bottom parabolic tracks, where the roller balls are between the special road parabolic tracks and the block bottom parabolic tracks, right up on them. Now, here's a top view of the special track. This is the special road, not the special track, but the special road. This is the special road. This whole thing is the special road. This is the start of the special road. And the parabolic tracks, the main tracks, are right here. They are horizontal. The main tracks are horizontal right here. This is the main tracks. And the main tracks is where the roller balls go straight down. Go straight down here. This is the direction. You can see the directions here where the roller balls go straight down these long tracks. When the gigantic block the back end of the block is say about right here, you have to take the roller balls and push them down the cross tracks. These are the cross tracks, which are vertical. The cross tracks are vertical. The cross tracks are vertical. You push the roller balls down one of these tracks, and it comes down to the roller balls reset track. That means the roller balls come down this one single track and go in front of the block and put it right here, put it here, put it here, and so put it here, and so forth. That's where you put the roller balls, so that the block can go over those and keep on going in the direction of the block right here. Direction of the block right here. Now, right here, these black dots represented here, black dots are the turn post holes. The turn post holes is what's going to push the block forward. Here's the start. Now, let's go to illustration E. Back view. This is a back view of the gigantic block. 10,000 ton to 10 million ton single block right here. And these are the roller balls right up under the block itself, and between the block and the special track, the special road, the special track, the special road mainly. But nonetheless, the special road has special tracks on it because you have a track on the special road, a track on the block itself, and here are the lever holders. These circles right here, these little small circles, you see them, small circles? They are on the turn post. The turn post, all the turn posts turn simultaneously at the same time when they are turned. I'll show you how they are turned. And we'll go now to F. The F illustration F is a top view of how to make the jacking system. Here are the shelves. The shelf is right here. The shelf, and the backing, and the push backing is right here, and the 10,000 to 10,000 to 10 million ton single block is this back line right here. That's the block itself. Now, this is the plate pusher and plate holder arms is right here in yellow, and it goes back and forth easily in the arm bushing and slide through system right here, right here. And here, yeah, thank you. The bushing and ring. Here is the, pardon me, this is the turn post itself. The turn post, the inner ring, the inner circle right here is the turn post itself. And right around it is the bushing and the ring. The bushing, here's the bushing, and it's hooked to the ring right here. Right here is the turn lever holder. The turn lever holder holds the turn lever, which is this long part here, which is 100 feet to 500 feet, a long lever, depending on the load you or the amount of tonnage you're going to push. Nonetheless, here's the pin that holds that in, and here's the turn lever holder right here, turn lever holder, and when the turn lever holder is moved in the directions of the turn lever swings, is this way or that way. When it is turned this way, you put a plate in right on top of here. A plate in right between the plate pusher and the plate holder arms and the press nut. You put plates right here of 1/4 of an inch thick or 1/2 inch thick or maybe 5 inches thick or whatever it might be, 4 inches thick and so on, and you put it here. That means when you turn this arm either this way or that way, it presses against one of those that plate and pushes that plate the length that plate is thick. The thickness of that plate is pushed to that length. Up, up, oh. Okay, now, this is a side view of illustration G. Now, this here is the turn post itself. From this top right here all the way down to the bottom is the turn post. And in the turn post is inside of a turn post hole right here. See it? Two double broken lines. The outer broken line is the turn post hole. This here is the ground, of course, and here is the special road that the 10,000 ton, the 10 million ton single block is on top of. Here's the 10 million ton single block. And right here's the shelves. Right here's the shelf. Right here is the shelf holding the plate pusher and plate holder arms, which is in yellow right here. Right here. Which is inside the bushing and ring. The bushing is here and the ring is there, bushing and ring. And here's the non-slip down ring. This non-slip down ring keeps the bushing and ring from falling down here. It keeps it where it's at. And the plates are here. Here are the plates. You see these plates right here? These plates. Now the press knot is right here. The press knot presses against these plates and pushes it forward to the thickness of each plate. Each plate is the same thickness, and each time this turn lever turns, it pushes this plate 1/4 of an inch, which pushes the block itself 1/3 of an inch or 1/2 an inch, an inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, whatever, and so forth. And here's the turn lever holder right here with the pin in it. The pin holds the turn lever. Here's the turn lever right here. Now, here's the 10,000 ton to 10 million ton single block right here, this rectangular shape right here. This is the top view, illustration H. Now, the press knot is right here. Press knot is right there. The turn lever holders is right here, and the turn posts are right there. Turn posts right here. And hooked to the turn post are the turn levers. the turn levels. These are the long turn levels, between 100 feet to 500 feet, depending on the amount of weight and tonnage you intend to push. And you're going to push that tonnage 1/4 of an inch at a time, or 1/2 of an inch at a time, or even 2 or 3 inches at a time, depending on the load or the weight. And to have the turn levels turn at one single time, you have the middle turn levers as one unit guide. This is the guide right here. And when you turn this turn level, the turn lever directions, the turn post directions, when you turn it this way, all these turn levers turn at the same time, because they're all unitized. And this here's the end turn levers as one unit guide right at the end also. And when you turn this whole thing turns and pushes the 10,000 to 10 million tons of block 1/4 of an inch forward at a time, or 1/2 inch forward at a time, or an inch forward at a time, small incremental distances. Now, I want to thank everyone for listening and watching, and I want you to have a very fine day. Take care of yourselves well. Oh yes, please share this video and subscribe, and we'll see each other on the next video. Take care of yourselves well.